evidentemente, y por tanto es abstracto, pero también algo muy concreto. En lo concreto, representa la suma de la petición fiscal realizada contra 14 jóvenes que cometieron el delito de participar en una manifestación. Se enfrentan a 35 años de cárcel y multas que suman los 120.000 euros, tan solo porque el 10 de septiembre de 2005 mostraron junto a muchas otras personas su rechazo al carácter racista y xenófobo de un acto convocado por el partido de ultraderecha Democracia Nacional en Cangas de Onís. Ese día, todas aprendimos a leer el mundo al revés. Un mundo donde se protege el derecho de manifestación de grupos neonazis, golpeando, deteniendo y procesando a quienes sueñan con poner entre muros tan solo las ideas racistas, nunca las personas.
And the alert, singing of Mr. Yeah. Yeah, what I said again, yeah. No, 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 no. Get the hungry asshole, yeah, yeah. Oh, they never got no hurt, Mr. No, no, no. I say yeah, I say yeah. Listen what I say, listen what they say. I say yeah, listen what I say, listen what they say. Shake it up, Mister. You hear what I say, sir? Get your hands in the air now, then you will get no hurt, Mister. You know what I say, sir? Just what I mean, sir. Get your hands on your head now, then you will get no hurt, Mister. I say yeah, I say yeah. Listen what I say, I say yeah, yeah. Listen what I say, yeah. Second in the say, I must join the army. Third thing they say, son, give me a number now. And he said, what's your number? I don't answer. He said, what's your number, man? I don't answer. He said, what's your number? He said, what's your number now? I said, yeah. 54, 46, that's my number. Oh yeah. 54, 46, that's my number. One more time. 54, 46, that's my number. Oh, 54, 46, that's my number. To the policeman, I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't do that. Oh no, I never do that. I would say, sir, please, mister, put the charge on me. But I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't do that. No, no, no. I'm not a fool to hurt myself, 'cause I was innocent of what they done to me. They was wrong. Let me tell you one more time. They was wrong. Oh yeah, better give it to me one time. He give it, 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 give it. No, 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 no. Oh yeah. But I'm a die, 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 da da di da, die, 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 di di da di da da di da do da di da do da di da do da. Oh yeah, give it to me one time. Give it to me two times. Give it to me 3 times, yeah. Give it to me 4 times.